Today, I'm going to bring y'all along to Kirkland's. I have a Kirkland's about 35 miles from my home, so I decided to take a little trip and go and see what they have that is fun for the new fall season. So I hope y'all enjoy the video today, and I hope you get lots of inspiration for the new fall season coming up, because I know I'm excited to start decorating and getting in the fall spirit. The Kirkland's store that I'm showing you today is located in Florence, Alabama. And like I say, it's about a half-hour drive from my home, but it's always well worth the drive. The day I went is July the 23rd, so I wasn't sure if they would have anything fall out or even pumpkins, but they did. These were actually welcoming me as I walked through the door. I love seeing all these beautiful pumpkins, and I love seeing all the neutral colors this year along with the golds and the browns. So what do y'all think so far? I love going to stores like this that have some beautiful home furnishings just to see what kind of colors are going to be popular, especially this year for 2024. I want to take just a minute and remind all of y'all that I'm going to be having a live sale over on Whatnot this coming Saturday on July the 27th at 10 o'clock a.m. Central Standard Time. Make sure to click the link that I'm going to provide for you down in my description box, and also in a pinned comment, to get $15 to spend on Whatnot. Make sure to use the link that I provide for you, get your $15, and also bookmark my sale on Whatnot so you'll be eligible for this Homer Laughlin Ironstone milk pitcher that I will be giving away to some lucky winner. So I hope to see all of y'all this Saturday at my live sale. Don't they have some beautiful things? And doesn't it just make us want to start decorating right now? Comment below, what is your favorite home decor piece to really fill your home with around the fall season? Is it pumpkins, throws, pillows, wall decor? You know, mine, I'm going to have to say mine, probably my favorite is going to be pumpkins. I do love pillows and throws because I love to layer and add that cozy factor to my home when the weather starts getting cooler. But, we all have something that is, our favorite, and we probably collect more of it than we do anything. But they really had some really beautiful pieces this day, and they also had a lot of different style pumpkins. I love all the different colors, and I'm gonna have to get one of these wicker style pumpkins. These right here were so different, and I don't think I've ever had any like this. But I'm just kind of looking to seeing what all's out there, because I know a lot of the stores, some of them haven't even started putting out their fall decor yet. And, some of them have started, but I know they'll be adding a lot to it as the weeks go on. So I'm not going to jump the gun just yet and buy anything new unless I just see something that I absolutely love, because I'm still just kind of going around shopping, seeing what all's out there, and then I'll pick out and get some of my favorite pieces. I thought these book stacks were absolutely beautiful. I'm not sure if they opened or not, and I think they were $19.99, but I thought they were really pretty with the linen lining and everything on them. But I love, like I say, I love all the colors this year. So comment below if you have a Kirkland's in your area. Do you shop there? And they had a lot of things that are on sale. And the wreaths, I think, were 20% off. And a lot of their mirrors and their wall art was 40% off on this day. I didn't get anything, but like I say, I'm just out kind of shopping right now, seeing what the colors are, and just seeing what pieces that I can use and implement in my home. I know this was a little extra video this week, but make sure you're subscribed to my channel. Make sure to click that bell so you'll be notified every time I upload, because I will be bringing y'all along for Christmas in July on this Sunday. So my weekly video will still go out on Sunday, and you won't want to miss it, because I know y'all are going to love the projects in this one. I know I'm throwing some fall and some Christmas decor at y'all in the end of July, but y'all, these are two of our favorite seasons to decorate for, and they are just weeks away. So I'm getting excited about it, and I hope y'all are too, and just bringing y'all along for some inspiration and ideas. Don't forget, my live sale will be on Whatnot this Saturday on July the 27th at 10 a.m. Central Standard Time. So make sure to go to my description box and click on that link. Get set up on Whatnot, and make sure to get your $15 and be ready to shop the live sales. So I love y'all, and I will plan to see y'all again Sunday in my Christmas in July video. Bye, y'all.